In the last few days, it has been trending on Twitter. Peter Obi is coming. Peter Obi is coming. That trend took a lot of people by surprise, but it was an indication that the obedient movement is going somewhere. Peter Obi is going somewhere ahead of 2027 election. It was an indication that people of Nigeria still have confidence that Peter Obi is the solution to the APC, the solution to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's running of the country, that he will be able to do a different job and a better job and an effective job, a job that Nigerians will be proud of. That is the essence of that trend, that Peter Obi is coming. He is coming again. The tsunami is going to happen again. The tornado will pass again and will clear all obstacles. This time around, it will be cleansing up the debris of the APC, leading to the emergence of a new Nigeria. That was the essence of that P2B is coming trend that overtook the cyberspace for the past 2 days or so. Now, I know that a lot of people will say, oh, it's all social media. That's what they said before. Remember what Adam Socioeconomic said about Peter Obi and the obedient movement. He said these are just people in a room churning out stories. But look at what happened. Look at what the whole institution of the state, they have to combine together to stop Peter Obi. All the security apparatus of government, everything was mustered to stop Peter Obi. The person that they said he has only supporters in on social media, they have to do the African magic to stop him. So don't dismiss it. Don't think that this P2B is coming trend is just a flash in the pan. No, that's a fact. He's coming. He's coming with full force. Even though he may not, like before, the same, before when he was coming the first time, they say he doesn't have structure. He doesn't have local government chairman. He doesn't have local government councillors. He doesn't have governors. He doesn't have senators. He doesn't have House of Reps. Now, what we are seeing as 2027 is coming is that many of the political parties are all congregating together. They are all congregating together, joining forces with Tinubu. PDP governors are defecting to APC. Now, their excuse now is that P2B is going nowhere when everybody is already endorsing Tinubu and moving to Tinubu's side. That is the new obstacle that P2B is going to dismantle in 2027. The last time they say P2B has no structure. This time around, what are they going to say? They say all of us are with Tinubu. So who is P2B to be able to defeat Tinubu and change the system? Well, I like the way P2B put it recently. He said it is good that they are all gathering in one place so that we know how to deal with all of them. That was one of the what P2B said recently, one of the events that he attended. He said it's good that they are all gathering in one place. At least we know. Let us separate the chaff from the wheat or something like that. So let them be congregating. Let us know where they are, because when you start endorsing Tinubu and you are defecting to his side and all that, it will make Nigerians to know where you stand. Let us know how many are with us and how many are with them. And like P2B said in that event, the election is going to be between the Nigerian people and the APC and Tinubu government. It's not about which governor defected to quit to a PDP and which one is in PDP while working for Tinubu and all that. That is out of the question. It is that by identifying themselves, the Nigerian people will now know those who are for Nigerians and those who are for APC and Tinubu. And P2B is saying that it will make the work easier. But when you know where all the people, the political class, who they are congregating, because P2B is committed to dismantling the criminal enterprise that is called public governance in Nigeria. So those who are congregating, Nigerians are watching them. Nigerians are suffering. They are buying a bag of rice higher than the minimum wage. They have been suffering. Inflation rate is over 40%. Unemployment is over 40%. Naira has made mess of people's economic well-being. The 70,000 Naira minimum wage, 70,000 look big in the eyes, but it is no different. It's no higher than 30,000 of 2 years ago, when you were buying a fuel for less than 200 Naira, a liter of fuel for less than 200 Naira, and the dollar was about 400 Naira to the dollar. So a whole lot of things are working to show that Nigerians will pass a verdict on the Tinubu administration. Because if you look at it, look at what Nigerians are passing through. Even farmers cannot go to farm. Look at the level of insecurity. Look at the level of fraud, corruption, and what have you. There is nothing to recommend the APC going forward. Only those who are singing hallelujah for APC are those who are benefiting directly or who are getting the crops from their temple. That's basically the average Nigerian is passing through her. So there is no doubt that following that trend, that P2B is coming, that it is a fact that he is coming. He's going to come, and the onus is on Nigerian people to defend their vote better than they did in 2023. Already, don't forget that after the election, people thought that the obedient movement would fade out. They thought they will fade out. The obedience are stronger, bigger, and better than ever before. That tells you something, that indeed there is emergence of Nigerians who are determined for a new Nigeria. No blackmail will stop them. No name calling will stop them. They are ready to keep on working, keep on struggling to create a new Nigeria. And these people are determined. They are the people that are saying Obi is coming. Obi is coming. And that trend will continue from time to time to remind people of the challenge ahead, how to ensure that Obi arrived at the presidential villa where they expect him to be in 2027. You may dismiss it all you like. You wouldn't be the first person to dismiss it. Remember what happened in 2023. A whole lot of people dismissed it. They thought it was just something that would fade away. But here we are. The obedience are still waxing strong. P2B is still waxing strong. And Nigerian people are still determined to change the system. They are still determined to ensure that a new Nigeria is born, different from the criminal enterprise that we have, where corruption has been elevated to an art, where corruption is celebrated. Bad governance has become something to be proud of, because the system has been allowed to get rotten for so long. But Peter Obi is coming. Peter Obi is coming. Obi is coming. That's what the trend was all about this past week. Obi is coming. And I can tell you for free that indeed he is coming. It is now left for Nigerians to push him to the presidential villa. Vote, defend their vote. Whatever is your position about the trend, Obi is coming. What is your view? Do you think that Obi is coming will be much more successful this time around than in 2023? Or what else is your view? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.